Hi folks, and welcome to my video on the Pool Leak Academy's new drill tap and plug kit offered for sale on our website. This match set is designed to tap a PVC pipe quickly for pressure testing the plumbing, without fumbling around looking for the tools to do the job. All the tools to get the job done are right here, held tight in the handle that fits nicely in your toolbox. Often for a crucial pressure test, you need to isolate the smallest section of piping possible, and some pool layouts make isolating a pipe for pressure testing a challenge. For a simple example, some pool builders use ball valves, and these taps are designed to drill on the low side under the ball valve and pressure test the pipe back to the pool. In some tougher plumbing layouts, this tap set can be your only option to get a clean pressure test without cutting up the pipes. As you can see, these tight pump layouts make it very difficult to access, so you need to come prepared and minimize the trips you take to the van to get the job done. This kit has it all right there. The air chuck is supplied. The plugs are in the handles, even the right drill bit that fits the tap is also provided. While we are demonstrating this tap, I wanted to explain that most valves other than ball valves will not hold pressure well enough for a proper pressure test. Old brass gate valves and older Jandy swing valves should never be trusted to hold pressure. We also sell an inflatable extension plug that has a stiff wire in the core of the hose that can be positioned down the pipe, past a bad valve if necessary. For a thread sealer, I often use Quad Max from the Home Depot. I use this inexpensive sealant on anything plastic that touches water, including threads on the pump fittings and even vinyl liner patches. What makes this glue great for patching vinyl liners is it's thick enough to seal over folds and seams, giving a vinyl patch much more sealing ability in tough-to-patch areas. Because these tiny round plugs tend to roll away out of sight and can be lost easily, you should note these plugs are red for increased visibility, where black plugs often get lost, go unnoticed, and are left behind. Unfortunately, by making these plugs red, we gave up some of the ultraviolet protection that a black plug offers. Our solution is to cover the entire plug with Quad Max once it is installed. It will form a tough rubber coating over the plug, protecting it from the elements. Thank you for watching my video on the drill tap and plug kit. We hope it makes your job much easier. Check out our website, the Pool Leak Academy, for more details, and have a great day.